very upset at the moment. I got recently separated from my wife. I had an incident which occurred where I tripped and stumbled and fell right into her vagina, and I got stuck there. John, I was in there for 1 week. 1 week, the smell of muffa, cheese, in my nose. If it wasn't for the brave CFI firefighter, John Smith, who got me out with the jaws of life, I don't know if I'd even be here. Those brave firefighters fighting bushfires all over Australia, and they took their time out to fight and tackle my wife's bush.
How did you turn it around?
Look, I'll be honest, I'm no Scar, but when I come out, I look a lot like a Mufasa. John! John! You sleepy, John? John! John! So because John, the psychiatrist, counselor, he consulted me for free. I had to do him a 5-hour one. So I said to him, alright, I'll be on your stupid show again, the Married at First Sight. I mean, as much as I want to get out to that pool in the bucket. This is fantastic.
You'll have to keep that down, that's all.
But shut up, stupid! I already met all the groom, and I find it all nice and mean, and we get along very well. So she said, is there a salami in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me? I said, no, it's my cucumber.
Mikey, Yvonne.
Hello, Ivan. Pleased to meet you. I'm Pippo.
What's the type of girl you normally go for? In terms of a type, mate, I'm trying to close my mind off from being looks. Yeah.
Don't you think Ivan looked like Captain America before he took the super soldier serum?
Respectful.
Calm down, Ivan. Calm down. Listen, when you marry your wife, on the wedding night, you're gonna, on the wedding night.
No expectations, dude.
Excuse me. Did you just call me the penis of the camel? Ivan? Huh? I'm not fucking a dude to nobody.
I think he's doing a lot of talking, and he seems to be somewhat the centre of attention.
Yeah, but what if, listen, stupid, what if your wife, she puts it on you? What if she wants it? What if she puts it on you?
Even if she's putting it on you, I think it's smarter to not do that because oxytocin comes into play.
Oxytocin? I don't even know what that means. I'm gonna take that as a sign of disrespect.
You enjoying your bike tonight?
Oh, not particularly. I think it's a bit inappropriate for me. We're all very different personalities from different walks of life that have been thrown in a scenario that...
This is for calling me Cock, and this is for the oxytocin remark, and this is for your pink shirt.